As it's Polywag BMX, and I'm gonna do a bike check. So this is the Mirra Muse 2012, and the frame itself is 2 tubes chromoly D, T, and TT, integrated head tube, mid-bottom bracket shell, single cable mount, 5mm dropouts, welded seat clamp. I got it in flat orange. The length of the bike is 20.5. The forks are tapered chromoly legs, 31.8 to 25.4 millimeters. 1/8. Handlebars are Vise 2-piece, 8-inch rise, 2.0 millimeter thick. The stem is black label forged alloy threadless, 1/8 front mount, 50mm extent. The grips are black label, just regular black label grips. They're comfortable, I guess. I kind of ripped through the bottom of one, which is that one over there. The headset is FPD Integrated with 45 bearings, 8mm tall top cover. The crank is a Vise 3-piece, chromoly 175mm. The sprocket is a 25 tooth Vise sprocket. The wheels are, the front wheel is an alloy single wall 36H painted black with alloy front hub with 3/8 chromoly axle, alloy cassette, 1-piece driver, rear hub with 14mm hollow chromoly axle. The tires are Innova Park 2.25 front and a 22.0 in the back. The pedals are black label graduate plastic pedals, 9/16 with chromoly axles. The seat is an Alienation. I like it a lot. Alienation transfer seat. And I didn't have like a pivotal post, so I bought that one. And it's just a black label post. And all I'm really missing is the chain. Well, it's just a random white KMC chain. It's really amazing, but it's quite loose right now. Oh, no. It's being good today. And yeah, that is all. That's my bike check. Peace.